Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a wise and powerful king who had 10 beautiful wives. The king, known for his fairness and wisdom, was greatly loved and respected by his subjects. His wives, each hailing from different regions of the kingdom, were equally admired for their grace and kindness. The king, in his quest to ensure harmony and understanding among his wives, devised a unique system. He allocated specific days of the week for each of his wives to spend quality time with him. This way, he would be able to give equal attention and love to each of them, as well as foster unity and respect within his harem. However, the king's plan soon faced challenges as jealousy and rivalry began to brew among his wives. Each wife wanted to be the most cherished and sought to outshine the others in the king's affection. The palace became a battleground of envy and backbiting, with the once peaceful atmosphere now tainted with discontent. The king, troubled by the disharmony in his household, sought counsel from his most trusted advisors. Together, they devised a plan to resolve the conflict. The king summoned his wives and reminded them of the love and respect he held for each of them. He highlighted the importance of unity and harmony within the palace, emphasizing that their strength lay in their collective bond, not in their individual competition for his attention. Slowly, the wives began to understand the king's wisdom and the detrimental effects of their jealousy. They made a solemn vow to support and uplift each other, rather than harbor resentment and animosity. As a result, peace and tranquility returned to the palace, and the king's harem became a shining example of unity and cooperation. From that day on, the king's wives learned to appreciate and celebrate each other's uniqueness, forming a formidable sisterhood that stood the test of time. The king, pleased with the newfound harmony in his household, continued to rule his kingdom with wisdom and justice, knowing that his wives stood by his side as pillars of unwavering support and devotion. And so, they lived happily ever after, a testament to the enduring power of love and unity.